Tired of typing in the same vendor communications over and over and over again? In today's edition of Did You Know, I'm going to show you a time-saving trick that might just end up on your top 10 productivity hacks. Let's jump in. All right, let's jump into MakersHub and over to the vendors list. I'm going to click on Belimo, and let's send Belimo a notification for payment request. Now you're going to want to make sure that you have contact information in there. I'm going to click securely add payment methodology and ask the vendor for details. Let's select Jordan Parker. And instead of typing in the note that I want to send, I'm just going to simply click the hashtag. And then I am going to hit add payment details. So didn't have to type anything. It's preset. Now all I need to do is email that request. Same thing can be done for your W-9s. I can request from the vendor, select who I want, and then again, put in the hashtag, and it's going to only select W-9s. So where do we set this up? I'm going to go out of here and into the vendor list and click on Actions. Within Actions, I can manage communications and select between payment detail request or tax form request. And there they are. So to add one, I simply go to tax form request. I'm going to click add. I'm going to type in what I want to say. I'm going to name it second request. And we're good to go. That's it for this edition of Did You Know? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next edition.